Morning, guys. Today is the day. Today is the day of the AP Macroeconomics exam. So I had a request from one of my viewers to do a video about reserve requirements, excess reserves, etc. So I put together this screencast to show you an example of a T account. So on our left side, we have assets, and on the right side, we have liabilities. Notice that on assets, I divided the reserves from in between RR, required reserves, and ER, excess reserves. And also note that both sides of the table are equal to each other. Demand deposits and owner's equity add up to 200,000. And all of the things on the left side, 20,000 plus 80,000 plus 100,000, also add up to 200,000. So the main question that I think this person had is how do we find the reserve requirement ratio given this information? So what you want to do is you want to take the reserve requirement, so that's right here, and your demand deposits, which are over here. You're going to divide reserve requirements by demand deposits. So we're doing 20,000 divided by 200,000. And if you simplify that, you can cross out these zeros and you end up with 2 over 20. 2 over 20 can be simplified to 1 over 10. And then you get 10% as your reserve requirement. So I'm going to minimize this part and we're going to add on this layer. So what if Jade I deposit $10,000, which is completely unrealistic, but we're just going to use it. How would that change the T account? So if we add on our third layer here is our new T account. Our demand deposits here are going to be 210,000 because 200,000 plus 10,000 is going to give us 210,000 because I'm depositing that into demand deposits. Now, because our required reserve ratio is 10%, I'm going to take 10% of $10,000, and that's saying 1/10 of this amount. So 1/10 of $10,000 equals $1,000. That's how much is going to be added into our reserve requirement, which you can see over here. 20,000 plus 1,000 is going to give us the total of 21,000. And then what's left over after this, we put 1,000 into our required reserves, and then we have $9,000 left over to get us to my total deposit of $10,000. So that extra $9,000 is going to be put over here into excess reserves. And excess reserves are the amount that a bank is able to loan out. So from here, that $9,000 added to the $80,000 we had before is going to put our excess reserves at $89,000. And that's the amount that the bank is able to put into loans if they need to. I know this was a really short video, but we're getting close to the exam, and I'm still watching my cousins today, so I had to keep it short and concise. I really hope that this helped. If there's anything else that I need to do to help you guys out before this exam, let me know. Tell me in the comments. And if this video did not cover all of the things that you were wondering to the person that asked me to do this video, please let me know. I would be happy to elaborate more or to do another video about this topic if I didn't cover what you needed me to cover. Good luck on the exam today, guys. You're going to